Well, the holidays are upon us and there just isn't enough time to work out. Well, there is. We'll show you how in just 15 to 20 minutes you can burn more fat than a typical hour on the treadmill. Hi, I'm Jill Tomich from Ultimate Boot Camp.
And I'm Peter Lavelle. For more than a decade, athletes have been using high-intensity interval training to reach peak performance. But interval training is not just for athletes.
That's right. New studies have shown that women have lost more subcutaneous, and that's a deep down layer, of leg and stomach fat by performing high-intensity interval training 3 times per week.
If we combine and alternate those high-intensity exercises with medium-intensity exercises, we're going to burn that fat more efficiently. So let's get started. Today's high-intensity exercise is a leg exercise at the same time. So what Jill's going to start off by doing is a seated squat and elevating herself up in the air at the same time. So by lowering herself onto her heels, letting her weight come back onto the bench, that constant movement is starting to elevate the heart rate and burn those calories while we're working the thighs at the same time. Coming all the way up in your tippy toes, making sure you're working from the calves all the way up through. Let's get the intensity even higher in this exercise by taking it to a jump squat while still maintaining that great form, lowering yourself onto your heels. Use those explosive muscles to push that heart rate even higher, burning more calories, still working the legs. Let's move to our medium intensity exercise now and bring the core into play and get those stomach muscles all fired up. What Jill's doing is leaning back, getting her core muscles engaged, lifting her alternating legs, right legs, left leg, and to bring both legs in at the same time and increase that intensity, working the core at the same time, take it to a full bench crunch. Extend the legs all the way out, leaning back at the same time, and then bring everything in together. Working the core, stabilize their muscles, everything is working in harmony.
So that's right, all you have to do is alternate about 20 seconds of your high intensity exercise with about 10 seconds of that medium intensity exercise for a great high intensity interval training workout.
So don't let time crunch during the holiday season be your enemy. Take this 15 to 20 minutes 3 times a week and get the most that you can from your workout while enjoying the holiday season.